In the summer of 1957, my granddad took his family on a camping trip to Colorado with some friends. He filmed it on 8mm, and I recently restored the reel at the home studio. Here they are on the road. There's Grandmom and Uncle John. That's Granddad's buddy behind the wheel. Here they stopped along the road for dinner. As the sun began to set, they caught their first glimpse of the Rockies. Granddad loved southern Colorado and brought his wife and kids out there several times throughout the years. I'm not exactly sure where in Colorado they are on this trip, but most likely they are somewhere near Grand Mesa. There's Granddad's buddy fly fishing. And now Granddad and his buddy are bow hunting a little something for supper. There's Granddad returning with his kill. There's Granddad's buddy returning with his. Now to go to the creek and clean them squirrels. Them's good eating. After a week of fishing, hunting, exploring, it's time to pack up and head home. Looks like they reached the Texas Hill Country by nightfall. And there's Granddad relaxing on the back porch at home. Till the next time, happy trails.